Yeah, what's up, good people? Welcome back to this amazing channel, guys. I go by the name I am Voke, and Voke is VOKE, guys. Kindly, if you have not subscribed to this channel, uh, please kindly subscribe, like the video, and share, guys. The link is still chasing for the watch hours, guys, and subscribers, guys. So your support is really appreciated, guys. So today I'm just home. I didn't attend that NASA's project because it has been some like 2 to 3 days without working there, guys. So I decided to have some small cleaners at home here. So my clothes, have been there. It's somehow dirty in my house, somehow dirty. So today I'm going to work on those things, guys. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end, guys. Kindly. And if you feel like supporting anyway, guys, there's a number in my bio, guys. Please, you're most welcome. But remember, guys, to watch my video from the start, like from the beginning till the end, guys. That's only support, guys. And by doing that, I really appreciate, guys. So stay tuned, come with me. And here, hey, this getting someone who that can film you good. It's really hard, but I have to try see who can assist me with filming, guys. So I don't have the self stick. I have to. There's some kids here. I can choose one of them to film me. So here's the borehole. This is a pure village life, purely village life, guys. So I've already fetched the water. There's some already inside there. So I said I don't have to come and clean on this side. So as always, I was not even planning to film the video. So as you know, today I don't have any video to upload. I decided, so let me take this. These are banana, guys. That's banana. These are banana plantation over here. These are borehole here. Though it's somehow dangerous, but I have to be careful. And these are just a small farm, cattle farm. In the village here, things are really, no, these are really pure and these are purely village life, guys. Wow, these are kales. That's kales. And we are having here avocados. These all avocados. As you can see, my mama fetched the firewood here, and then she left the fire outside so that they can dry up, and I think it will be used maybe in a few weeks or a few days, because it's not that big, just small. They can be dry up in maybe 1 week. It can be already be ready to be used. That's avocado. These are papao. So let's go inside, guys. I will already started. So I've already cleaned this one, and I'm just continuing, guys. So you have to stay tuned and watch the video, enjoy the video. There's some boys here trying to clean. They are making cleanness. They're cleaning the utensils. So they have taken the lunch. So now they have to clean this, and I think they are going to head for a church. Me too, I feel like I can, after the cleaning up, I can go to church. Let me take inside. You can see the house is very dirty. Even the house is very dirty. I've not been here for a while. Like since the construction started, I have not been there. So this is for baby Liam, my son. I mean, though right now I'm not around with her. I think some of you knows her mama ran away. So that's her chair, guys. The house is really complicated. It's really complicated. So I have to make some cleanness, and see, even the table. That's where I usually sit while eating. So today is it's all about cleaning, but I think I shall start with this. When I finish with this, and then I come there. After there, I'll be taking bath and head to my boss Naspo there to see what's going on. So the video is around, is in the village right now. So after this, I think I'm going to check on him. Yeah guys, so stay tuned. Kuja hata kuja nishikie hapa. Shike vizuri. Ona hasa vile utashika. Hivyo ndo utashika hata na maji, mrashika vizuri. Shika hapa na hapa. Shika hizo vitu za kufinya. Yes. So they will clean some here. So just leave some. Stick 1 to 2 there. Yeah, just getting some. Just I think this one, this shirt and short. I don't know. There's another thing here. Yeah. Nichukue na mambo yako. In the village there is no washing machine, guys. We use our hand to wash the clothes. Everything is the hand. We use our hand to wash everything. Like a lot of, not even to wash. There's a lot of things I'll carry through hand. Like man, there's no machine. You have to apply a lot of energy because without that the clothes can't be clean. And I've already washed it. I think this is the second time, and after there I want to rinse it. You know, guys, you can get in the village here. Someone can wear a cloth like 2 days or 3 days. You know, but a lot of people in the city, in towns, usually wear a cloth once, and immediately wear the cloth, throw it away, and then you wash maybe. Ndiko mundani sana. Tani badilisha sana. Ndiko muka maji. So I have to wash the vest that was wearing. Rudi nyuma sana. I know for men there's this thing like washing clothes and cooking. It's somehow hard for men, but there's no means you have to do it, guys. Yeah, it's time to rinse, guys. Just like that. So for it to be clean, you have to rinse like thrice or twice. Yeah. And after that, you hang it over here. That's all. See in the village, there's a lot of this, something like this. Yeah, the easy dryer. Yeah, so I'm done with washing clothes. I think I'm going for our next step. I mean, which is washing inside the house. It's very dirty, and thank you guys for those people that are supporting this channel by watching and by subscribing. Though there's some of them that have subscribed and they are watching but they have not subscribed. Please kindly, I know you're supporting me and your support is really appreciated. So guys, kindly support to hit the 1,000 subscribers, guys. Please, kindly. So I'm done. I think I'll allow the kid to go and continue with washing the utensils. I think I was having one who was filming, and I'm going to wash inside there. And I don't think like I show up because I don't have the selfie stick. I wish I could have. I wish I could be having a selfie stick. I could be showing everything. This is a new thing, and that's my mama's project, guys. He had invested on this. I think there was some few months I was showing him he was having another project like this. He usually start from they are very young, and some few months they'll be really big. Yeah, that is it. Really proud of her because he did a hard working mama. Yeah, guys. So that is it. That's my village, guys. That's my home. Yeah. Oh, I'm really sweated, guys. I'm really sweated. So that is it. Oh, sorry. I moved the vest because I washed. I was supposed to wash everything. I don't want to have any dirty clothes again. So like I know I can even take a week. So maybe I can wash clothes after 1 week again. Yeah. Yeah. So these are my villages. I was telling. See, this one is the cooking banana. It's the one to be boiled. You can boil. You can like roast it, but you can't. How do we call it? Like you can make it so that you can be eaten like without cooking. Like I don't know how to put that word. Like the one that comes yellow, like this one, yeah. And you keep it like for 3 days. Somewhere that is there's hotness. It comes to be eaten. I have forgotten that word. How do we call them? But maybe I shall. You can maybe tell me on a comment section. Because no, English is not a vegetable. English is not a vegetable, guys. I've been not feeling well, guys, but I think God is there. God is there with me. I'm going to be okay soon. And I wish, I really pray, guys, so that maybe Nasu can continue with the construction, guys. I'm really I don't have anything like right now, so that I can get even something like having even a small. You can even take good of you, but even you don't have even something, you just there. Which is not good, guys. So I will pray so that the construction can continue. It has been helping me, and last 2 weeks that we have been there. I think and I really pray so that God can answer prayer so that the construction can continue. Please, God, I pray for that. Yeah, so guys, I think I could end the video right here, right now, guys. So, but I think you've enjoyed, and then remember, guys, if you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel and like and share the link, guys. You know, as you know, we are still on our process, guys, to success. And success is everything that each and everyone needs in her life, guys. So kindly support the channel, guys. Please, 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 kindly. So let's meet, guys, on our next video. Bye bye.